Welcome to Sao Paulo, a vibrant city where art, culture, and gastronomy collide in an exhilarating symphony of experiences. Known as Brazil's bustling megacity, Sao Paulo is set to be a hotspot in 2025, with its iconic skyline, world-class museums, and lively street markets. Imagine yourself wandering through the expansive Ibirapuera Park, indulging in the mouth-watering flavors of the city's diverse cuisine, or exploring renowned cultural landmarks like the São Paulo Museum of Art. This metropolis is more than just a destination, it's a thrilling adventure waiting to unfold. So, don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our journey through the top 10 must-visit places in São Paulo. Located in the heart of São Paulo, the Se Cathedral, officially known as the Cathedral of São Paulo, is a prominent example of neo-Gothic architecture. Its construction began in 1913 and was completed in 1967, marking over 5 decades of dedication to this monumental project. The cathedral features stunning elements such as pointed arches, flying buttresses, and intricate stained glass windows, which showcase biblical narratives and historical events. As the 4th largest neo-Gothic cathedral in the world, Se Cathedral stands as a symbol of the city's rich cultural heritage. The cathedral is positioned at Praça de Sé, serving as a central point for both religious and civic activities. Its imposing facade, with twin spires reaching 92 meters high, dominates the skyline, attracting both tourists and worshippers alike. Ibirapuera Park, one of São Paulo's most significant green spaces, offers a vibrant blend of nature and culture. Spanning over 390,000 square meters, it is a haven for relaxation and recreation. Visitors can explore major landmarks like the impressive Museum of Modern Art, the iconic Ibirapuera Auditorium, and the tranquil Japanese Pavilion. Stroll through lush gardens, enjoy art installations, or unwind by the serene lakes. The park hosts cultural events throughout the year, making it a dynamic hub for art and music enthusiasts. For tourists, it's easily accessible via public transport, inviting everyone to immerse themselves in this urban sanctuary. The São Paulo Municipal Theater, inaugurated in 1911, stands as a monumental symbol of Brazilian cultural heritage. Designed in the eclectic style, its facade features intricate sculptures and majestic columns, reflecting the grandeur of European opera houses. The theater was built to enhance Brazil's artistic identity, hosting significant performances that shaped the country's cultural landscape. It has welcomed renowned artists, including Maria Callas and the São Paulo Symphony Orchestra. Following a major restoration in the 1990s, the theater preserved its original opulence while updating facilities. Today, it continues to serve as a vital venue, promoting diverse artistic expressions and elevating Brazilian arts on the international stage. Paulista Avenue, the bustling heart of São Paulo, is renowned as a major business and financial hub, where gleaming skyscrapers house multinational corporations and financial institutions. The architectural landscape is a striking blend of modernism and contemporary design, featuring iconic buildings such as the São Paulo Museum of Art with its bold red structure elevated above the ground. This avenue is not only a commercial artery but also a vital corridor for urban mobility, boasting efficient metro and bus systems that facilitate access. The vibrant streets are lined with cafes and cultural institutions, reflecting the dynamic lifestyle of the city, while the avenue frequently hosts public events and art displays, cementing its role as a cultural landmark in the urban milieu. Liberdade is a vibrant neighborhood in São Paulo, renowned for its profound Japanese influence. Established in the early 20th century, it serves as the heart of the Japanese community in Brazil, showcasing a rich blend of cultures. The streets are adorned with traditional lanterns and red torii gates, creating a unique ambience. On weekends, the area buzzes with lively street markets, offering an array of authentic Japanese foods, crafts, and spices. Visitors can indulge in sushi, mochi, and other delights from numerous stalls and restaurants, making it a culinary paradise. Architecturally, Liberdade features a mix of modern and traditional buildings, reflecting its historical roots. For those planning a visit, the neighborhood is easily accessible via São Paulo's metro system. Don't miss the local festivities, especially during the Tanabata Matsuri in July, which celebrates Japanese culture with parades and performances. The São Paulo Museum of Art, inaugurated in 1968, represents a pivotal moment in modernist architectural design, profoundly shaped by architect Lina Bobardi. Its innovative suspended structure, elevated on two lateral beams, creates a striking form that not only enhances urban space but also allows for an open public plaza beneath. This pioneering engineering approach, showcasing reinforced concrete and glass, transforms traditional museum conventions. Bardi's vision emphasizes accessibility and cultural integration, making art available to all. Today, the museum stands as a symbol of architectural ingenuity and a landmark of contemporary Brazilian identity, illustrating the lasting impact of innovative design in urban landscapes. The Jardins district of São Paulo epitomizes luxury and sophistication, showcasing a remarkable blend of modern architecture and upscale shopping. Renowned for its elegant streets, such as Oscar Freire and Haddock Lobo, this area is home to a plethora of high-end fashion boutiques and designer stores, including global names like Gucci, Chanel, and Louis Vuitton. The district is characterized by stunning residential buildings, featuring contemporary designs that reflect the affluence of the region. Notable landmarks, such as the sleek buildings lining Avenida Paulista and the serene Parque Trianon, enhance the district's allure. Jardins invites affluent tourists and lifestyle enthusiasts to indulge in a world of elegance and refinement. The Banespa Tower, completed in 1947, epitomizes the Art Deco architectural style that flourished in the early 20th century. Originally serving as the headquarters for Banco do Estado de São Paulo, the building reflects a meticulous design by architects Eero Saarinen and the Brazilian team of Agos Moniz and Jorge Wilhelmi. Standing 161 meters tall, it was São Paulo's tallest structure until 1972, showcasing a distinctive verticality accentuated by its streamlined form and ornamental reliefs. Modern usage has transitioned the tower into a cultural landmark, housing offices and a public observation deck. Its presence, alongside the São Paulo Cathedral and the Copan building, defines the city's skyline while embodying the enduring spirit of Art Deco architecture. Pacaembu Stadium, inaugurated in 1940, is a pivotal venue in Brazilian football history, known for its distinct Art Deco architecture characterized by elegant lines and vibrant mosaics. With a capacity of 40,502, it has hosted iconic matches, including the 1950 World Cup and crucial Brazilian national team games. Notable moments include the 1981 Copa America final, where Brazil triumphed against Bolivia, and the unforgettable match in 1992 when São Paulo FC clinched their first Copa do Brasil. Renowned players like Pelé and coaches such as Tele Santana have lauded the stadium's vibrant atmosphere. Santana remarked, "The fans breathe life into this iconic place." Today, Pacaembu remains a symbol of passion, history, and architectural grace in Brazilian sports. The Martinelli building, constructed in 1925, stands as a testament to the architectural ambitions of early 20th century urban development. Originally designed for commercial use, it exemplifies the Beaux-Arts style, characterized by its grand facade of terracotta tiles and embellishments. The building features large arched windows and a striking cornice, which adds to its verticality and elegance. Internally, the design reflects an opulent aesthetic with intricate plaster work and marble accents, showcasing the craftsmanship of the era. Over the years, the Martinelli building has undergone renovation, preserving its historical integrity while adapting to modern functions. Its significance lies not only in its architectural prowess but also in its representation of the cultural and economic aspirations of its time.